Good morning, people on the internet. Today's gonna be a good day. Today will be the first time we're going surfing at the beach. It should be fun. Just waiting for Dan to come past to pick me up and we'll head out. But I just wanted to show you, ended up getting a wetsuit over the Christmas holidays. Let's see if I can get this on. Oh, man, how do people do this? I'm struggling. All right, what's the trick to this? Let's try it. Oh, I'm gassed already. I'm not even there yet, look. I think I'm getting there. So this one's the 3-2 wetsuit. It's 3mm thickness around the torso area, and then it's 2mm thickness on the arm and the shoulders, so we can paddle better. All right, let's see if we can get this on. Oh, it's on. That was hard. I also bought a second-hand surfboard too. Let me show you. So this is the DHD Black Diamond. The size of it is 6'4", 21-inch wide. Look at me, ma. I'm a surfer. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. So today will be our first time surfing in the ocean. That's exciting. It is exciting. Right, Podge? Say something to the camera for the people on the internet. Look how big he is right now. I need to figure out a better way to get in and out of this. So how you doing? Come watch me surf. Laters. What up, what up? Woo! Let's go. Go to the beach. Preach up. Nervous? Yes.
Or you can use one. That's huge, bro. A big fatty. So yours is what, 42?
39. What the heck? Where are you? We're back. We're back. That session was okay. Caught like maybe 1 or 2 waves. Yeah, got tired. It's hard adjusting to that board, but you know, you gotta start somewhere. That's my coffee today. It's not the greatest pour, but could have been better. Some days are just good, some days are just bad. So, I want to fix this current problem that I have right now. There's always so many things on my desk and it looks so messy. We will want to go to IKEA and pick up like a storage unit so we can fit all this camera gear underneath the table, so then it will be like a little trolley that we can slide in and out and keep all this stuff quite neat and accessible. We'll go to IKEA, pick up a couple of things, and then I'll show you what I got. Let's go.
Hey, yo, Rich!
Alright, we're at IKEA. IKEA Roads. Got an IKEA bag hat. Do you guys ever come to IKEA and feel overwhelmed by the amount of things that they have here? Because I do. I swear this place is like a full maze. So this is the trolley that I'm looking for in a white color to fit underneath the table. Take my strong hand. These things are cool. Solar powered. We'll throw these on the balcony. Oh, here's a proper picture of it. So what did you get?
A big bowl.
Look at the big bowl. We got some stuff. Right, it's at 19. Oh, there it is. Oh, we want the smaller one. Oh, that's heavy. We're done. We finally finished shopping at IKEA. Alright, we're back. This was the thing that I was talking about. This is called the Raskog, which is like a little trolley unit. Let's unbox it. And this is the moment of truth. Woo! How good is that? So now I can put all my camera gear on here and roll it around. Let's packing everything away from the desk into this little trolley. I also got 2 of these boxes. That's got like a nice lid. that, I think I'm gonna store some of the stuff in here. So. Oh no! Oh no! I saved it. Oh no! No! Don't do this to me! No! Oh, that's not too bad. And then there's another giant one on the bottom of this. I fucked this one up too. Man, don't you hate it when you like peel the stickers off and then all this stuff just gets stuck? I don't really know how to organize this trolley now. I've got so much stuff. I've got stuff in like little bags. Wow! Now we can pull out anything we need when we want it and have them hidden away off the desk. Now we can do more editing. Look, how much space, so much room for activities. All right, on to the next problem. Well, not really a problem, on to the next thing. Let's go. Got this gifted to me. It is a Carhartt bottle opener. It's basically a giant zipper, look at that. So you're supposed to screw this onto somewhere, but I don't think I want to screw it onto anything. I went out and got some stick-on magnets. Let's put these on. This is the piece that we're gonna stick the magnets onto. I got these from Bunnings and I think it was like $5 or something. Let's give this a test. Oh! Now my fridge looks like it's got a giant zipper. Ah, you want your drink opened? Hey Podge. How you doing over here?
Yo, Al.
Hey Modge. IKEA's got so many cool things. This was the other thing that we purchased. A solar light set that we can put outside on our balcony. Comes with a solar light panel, which means I don't need to attach any cords set up on the balcony. It should be really nice out there now. How does this work now? Look how cute these look. I don't think you want to see me do all of this, so let me fast forward it. Ta-da! Now we got all the balls done. And now we have to attach it to the LED lights. Podge wants to help. Podge. Hey, Rick. Give it back. Stop eating the wire. So this is our balcony. I need to go get some cable ties. We'll get that a bit later and then we'll attach those maybe when Cell comes back. Guys, if you made it this far, thank you for watching. I know this episode's a little bit different than usual. If you like any of the content, please let me know in the comments below. I'll see you on the next one. Laters.